The Chronicles of Unexpected Realities. Introduction. In a world where the ordinary meets the extraordinary, a series of unprecedented events unfolds, intertwining the lives of diverse characters across different times and places. From the sudden disappearance of the internet to time-traveling adventures, these stories explore the resilience, ingenuity, and spirit of humanity in the face of the unknown. Chapter 1. The Great Internet Blackout. One fateful morning, the world wakes up to find the internet has mysteriously shut down. As society plunges into chaos, a group of tech-savvy teenagers stumbles upon an ancient network that might hold the key to restoring the web. Their journey uncovers a conspiracy dating back to the early days of the internet, revealing secrets that could change the world forever. Chapter 2. Ancestral Guidance. Lila, a struggling writer, is on the brink of giving up when she receives an unexpected visit from her great-great-great-grandmother, Eleanor, a famous author from the 1800s. Through a mysterious portal, Eleanor offers Lila guidance and wisdom, helping her navigate the challenges of modern publishing and rediscover the timeless power of storytelling. Chapter 3. Lessons from the Past. Jake, a modern-day city kid with no concept of saving money, accidentally time travels to the Great Depression era. Struggling to adapt, he learns the value of thrift and hard work from a family trying to survive the harsh economic conditions. These lessons of resilience and community profoundly change Jake's perspective on life. Chapter 4. The Chicken Crisis. The world is thrown into disarray when all the chickens suddenly disappear. Fast food chains are in chaos, and people panic over the loss of their favorite meals. Amidst the turmoil, a young entrepreneur creates a plant-based chicken substitute, sparking a global movement towards sustainable eating and saving the fast food industry. Chapter 5. Food Capsules. Dr. Emily Carter, a brilliant scientist, invents food capsules that expand into full meals when water is added. Her invention promises to end world hunger, but attracts the attention of powerful corporations and governments. Emily must navigate ethical and political challenges, deciding whether to keep her invention a secret or share it with the world. Chapter 6. Alien Virus. An alien ship releases a deadly virus on Earth, causing widespread panic. Scientists race against time to find a cure before the aliens invade. Dr. Raj Patel, a leading virologist, discovers that the key to the cure lies in the aliens' own biology. With the help of an alien defector, he works tirelessly to save humanity. Chapter 7. Moon Colony. 5 families volunteer to start a colony on the moon, leaving behind their lives on Earth. As they build their new home, they face numerous challenges, from technical failures to personal conflicts. Through teamwork and perseverance, they create a thriving community, proving that humanity's future lies among the stars. Chapter 8. Hologram Calls. A web conferencing company revolutionizes communication by incorporating holograms into video calls. People can now interact with lifelike projections of their loved ones and colleagues. However, the technology raises ethical questions about privacy and the nature of human connection. A young engineer named Alex works to ensure that the technology is used responsibly. Chapter 9. Soda Water Supply. The water supply of a small town suddenly starts spewing out soda instead of water. At first, the townspeople are delighted, but they soon realize the health and environmental consequences. A group of local kids, led by the resourceful Emma, embarks on a quest to find the source of the problem and restore the water supply. Chapter 10. Disappearing Manuscripts. Every night, a fiction writer named Sam writes a new story, but every morning the manuscript disappears, and the characters come to life in the town. As Sam interacts with his creations, he learns valuable lessons about life, love, and the power of imagination. Eventually, he discovers that his stories are a gift meant to inspire and bring joy to others.